Alright, so continuing 5.1 on graphing quadratics. Example 3, it says, write these in standard form. So in order to do this, to write it in standard form, I need to distribute. So that is an x squared. X times negative 9 is negative 9x. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 9 is negative 36. But remember, I have that negative on the outside, so I have to combine the like terms, which is negative 5x there on the inside. But I also have a negative on the outside. So that means I have to distribute that negative through. So that ends up being a negative x squared, a positive 5x, and a positive 36. So when I take a look at this, I need to rewrite this in standard form. So here's another example. X minus 1 squared doesn't mean I just take that through and square both things. That means I write x minus 1 twice. And that's what I have there. That's why squared means I write it twice. If it was cubed, I'd write it 1, 2, 3 times. So now I have to distribute that, so I get x squared, I get negative x, I get another negative x, and I get a positive 1. So I combine my like terms there, and on the inside I get x squared minus 2x plus 1. I still have the 3 on the outside, and I still have the 8 on the outside. So now I take that 3 and distribute it through everywhere, so I end up with 3x squared minus 6x, because 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, 3 times 1 is 3. And I add those 3 common like terms together, 3 and 8, and get 3x squared minus 6x plus 11.
You have a tight body. Yes, I see that from your tight pants. Yes, you are tight like a tiger.
The Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco has 2 towers that rise 500 feet above the road, right? So they rise 500 feet above the road and are connected by a suspension cable as shown. Each cable forms a parabola, so notice the parabola there that's formed. Okay. We also know that it's 220 feet there below as well, and the distance is what I'm trying to find in between them. Okay. I also want to try to find out what that is, and we'll call that there an L. So each cable forms a parabola with an equation, and here it is. So we have the equation. So what it's saying is, what is D? Okay, well, basically what we're saying here is we know the height is 500, okay, and we know how far over it goes, but the point I'm getting at is the lowest point right here, we can find that lowest point because we know what the vertex is. So whatever the vertex is going to end up being the lowest point. So to find the vertex, that's whatever makes that 0, which is 2100 and the 8. So there's your vertex point. So the lowest point and the middle of the bridge is 2100 feet from the left. So 2100 feet in, and the length it is 8 feet tall. So the point is, what's the length of the entire bridge? Well, if it's 2100 from here to here, then it's another 2100 from the center, so you just double it to get 4200. To find the height is, remember, you are going a distance over of 2100 and you're going up 8, so the height there is the y of the vertex, which is 8.
I love carpet.
So
I love
there's your homework. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me.
I love
Thank you.